watching the Hulk. And we're aiming for Spider-Man. And we hope we can get on there. Things are early. Here's a picture of all the buildings. And I've got my Wonder Woman shoes on, look. Look, there's my shoes. And what is Bob doing? Got an itchy ear. Oh, nearly tripped up then.
Look at a Wonder Woman flying at it.
And there's my friend Wolverine. There's my big friend Wolverine. Except that one, oh he has got whiskers. He has got whiskers. He has got whiskers on there. I thought his bedtime he had a shave when I saw him. I'm going to switch off now because you're just going into Spider-Man.